guys, Miss Johnson here with another technique talk. Today's technique talk is continuous line drawing. A continuous line drawing is a drawing in which one single unbroken line is used to make an image. Most artists use continual line drawing just as an exercise, sometimes even as a warm-up exercise before creating a drawing. But a continuous line drawing is a great way to force your hand and brain to work together. And it's just a great way to create a really cool, loose drawing. So check out these cool drawings. This is Henley from kindergarten, Mello from first grade, Birdie in second grade, Aaron from third grade, Lauren in fourth grade, Julio in fifth grade, Amy in sixth grade, Julian in seventh grade, and Savannah from eighth grade. We're gonna start in the bottom corner and we're gonna come up and we're gonna make a little loop-de-loo for his little ear and another little loop-de-loo. And we're gonna come down this way. And I'm not picking up, I'm just going over. And I'm gonna come up again and go one more time. Now I'm going to come in and come down and make kind of this triangle shape for a beak and come back up. And I'm gonna swoop it around the ear. And then I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna come over this way. Now I'm gonna come in and add some big old owl eyes. Oh yeah, that looks nice. So have you noticed I have not lifted my pen at all? He needs a big owl eye over here. And see, it wasn't big enough when I started, so I just went right back over. And then I'm gonna come out. And now I think he's ready for some feathers. So ta-da! And there's our continuous line owl. So now that you have your drawing, a really cool thing to do is get some colored pencils, crayons, markers, watercolors, whatever you have that you can add color with. And using as many different colors as possible, color in each and every little section. So the space that's created with all of your lines. And when you're done, you get something that looks just like this. So you can do that with basically any animal or it's a simple way to create a drawing, again, that is really loose. The idea though is that you want to look at the object that you're drawing to look for those simple shapes that you're making and really force yourself to try to keep your pen, pencil, marker, whatever you're using on the paper. So you're looking at the simple shapes, figuring out where you're gonna go next to add the next simple shape, and so on and so forth. So it is a really great exercise for your brain and your hand because they're kind of working together. You're kind of having to make split decisions about where to go next and what to do. That owl that I did earlier has been on the internet and I've seen it before, and that was just my own version. So here I did a brand new picture of a pig. So I looked up a pig, figured out what essential parts and pieces I needed, right? The big floppy ears, the big nose, eyes, the big body. And then I used the technique of continuous line drawing to create what you're looking at now.